you doing? It's Pat here. I just left Glenmont, Ohio, and I'm getting ready to do this loop that I got from the Facebook group of Ohio adventure riders. They call it ADV 201. I made a couple minor modifications. They have it starting and stopping in Killbuck, Ohio, and I just modified it to start and stop in Glenmont, Ohio. So I take no credit for this route, good, bad, or indifferent. Anyway, if you like any of this, please stick around, stay tuned, mash that subscribe button, and hey, we'll be back right after this. Okay, that's quite the steep hill looking there. This ought to be a challenge. Actually, it wasn't bad. Looked way worse than what it turned out to be. This is getting kind of rough. Washed out there on the left side. And a little bit here on the right side. I think I've been back here before, but I'm not sure, to be... Whoa, big bump. Ugh. To be brutally honest. I have been back here before. Boy, no sooner make the right and you got to make this left. That would have been easy to miss. Yeah, you're in the Killbuck area. You just never know about the water. It does like to flood down here a whole lot. You could tell this was wet for a while. I hope this is a road. Oh, crap. Oh, shoot. Well, that is quite a steep looking hill ahead of me. Township Road 341, I think. Yeah, I would say this is steep. Something majorly wrong with my route. I turned around and came back this way because it told me to turn on a road that didn't exist. So when I come back and I zoom out, I'm obviously going the wrong way again. Supposed to be on Township Road 342, but I don't see a Township Road 342 anywhere. I don't know. Not sure where I'm going to end up, but hey, whatever. I'm on gravel and I'm seeing stuff. Guess I'll leave it like this for a little bit and see if I can figure out if I'm ever going to get back on track. I don't know. I got plenty of gas. Don't have to be anywhere till Monday. It's Friday. So, whatever. Heck of a view. Hard to believe this is Ohio. Sometimes it feels more like West Virginia or Tennessee, but I'm a long way from those states. What happens up here? Driveway. No? Is that a road? No, I guess it's a road. Well, this is a road. It should be taking me the direction I want to go. At least I hope this is a road. Wouldn't be the first time I've trespassed today. Oh, shoot. Yeah, it looks like a road. Yeah, it has a number. Newcastle 338. Ooh, big hill. Well, things were looking good, but I think this is the end of the line. Something tells me I'm not going to go that way. But, you know, I'm just kind of going out on a limb here. Well, I guess everything I just did, I got to undid. 33rd time's a charm, right? Well, this is what you get from the Killbuck area, that's for sure. Okay, I'll check back in later when I figure out what the hell I'm doing. Alright, I feel like I'm in Groundhog's Day. This is the third frickin' time I've been down this road, but hey, anyway, we're going to come out here on US 36 and hang a right, and then that should enable me to get back on track. Because Township Road 342 just, yeah, doesn't exist anymore. Well, yeah, that's kind of what I thought. We're not getting through. So, that would have gotten me back on track. So, I think I'm just going to end the video here today, and thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of this, and if you would, please subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and we'll try to come back later once things have dried out here in Ohio and do this entire route. But again, thanks for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Oh hey, I'm near Nelly. That's where I'm at. Anyway, thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.